Hi guys, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Blessing here. In this video I am going to be showing you how to achieve DIY braided wig ponytail. Please, if you haven't subscribed to this channel, please subscribe now. What we have here, we have woven brush, we have Swiss lace, we have woven cap, we have scissors, we have crochet needle, we have thread, we have needle, we have braided gel, we have expression braids color. Wow! So one thing I like about this expression, it comes with two bundles in one packet. So the next thing that we are going to be doing here, we are going to be sectioning the expression, just section it into like 20 pieces. So 20 pieces have to be one strand of braid, you know. So here we go for the braiding, guys. Okay, so one thing I must tell you guys, please, you have to watch this video to the end so that you can know how to achieve your braided wig or your DIY ponytail braided wig. Okay guys, so what I do here, I'm doing like a Ghana braids, like the way you're seeing it right now. It's Ghana braiding. Yeah, that is how I will be doing it, step by step, braiding it step by step until I will not finish doing the braided wig, guys. So yeah, so guys, what we are going to be doing here, like what I will be doing here, I'm going to be doubling the expression because I need like long braids, so I will be doubling it and make sure that I hide the expression under the braids so that it will not pronounce that I doubled it, you know. So this is going to make the braid look natural. Yeah, so that is how I will be doing it until I shave my one strand of hair. Yeah, so guys, please, if this video is for you and if this video is helpful to you guys, please don't fail to subscribe, share this video, like, leave your comment in the comment section and let me know what you think about this video, guys. Okay guys, please, one thing I must beg of you guys, please don't mind my English because I'm not too perfect. I'm not too perfect, guys. I'm not an English person. Please, anyhow I pronounce the language or anyhow I pronounce the English, please just bear with me and, you know, please. So what we are here to do, we are just here to learn, and we are here to learn and move on. Yes, we are not even here for English, you know. So please bear with me, guys. Okay, so this is what we achieve. This is the achievement of the braid, guys. So what we have here, we have 35 pieces of braid. So the next thing that we are going to be doing here, we are going to be wearing a dummy cap, yeah, and pin it down to secure the net or the cap, you know. So you have to bring your Swiss lace, yeah, Swiss lace, and start doing the sewing. Yeah, as you can see right now. So the next thing that we are going to be doing here, we are going to be cutting the excess lace, you know, out of the wig cap. Yeah, and you know, bring it out and you know, just cut it. And when you're doing the cutting, guys, please just be careful. Be careful, guys. Okay. So here we go. For our braiding, we are going to be installing the braids right now. Yeah, like the way I'm doing it, just to bring out your braid and you know, use the pin to secure it down like so until you will now start doing the sewing. So you have to do it like this, step by step, just for you to know how to do the sewing. And not only the sewing, just for the measurements of the style, which is the style of this braided ponytail. Yeah, that is how I will be doing it, step by step. Just pin it down, use the pin to secure it down step by step until we'll now continue the sewing, guys. Okay, so please, guys, I'm still begging you, please, if you know you enjoy watching this video, guys, please subscribe. Don't fail to subscribe, guys. Subscribe, press the notification bell in case of if I upload any video, you shall be the first person to be notified. So guys, please, as you're watching this video, don't fail to share this video. If you know that this video is helpful to you, guys, share and share right now. Okay, thank you guys for sharing this video. So the next thing that we are going to be doing here, guys, we are going to be doing the sewing. Yeah, so guys, please, I'm sorry if I may say this to you guys, because I don't know how I am going to be explaining this to you. But the only one thing I will tell you guys, please, you have to sit down and watch this video. Watch it to the end. Make sure you watch this video to the end, so that you will know how I do the stitching, so that you will know how I do the sewing, guys, the sewing of the braids. Okay, so please sit there. Okay, watch this video to the end. I believe with that you will definitely know how I do the sewing of this hair. Okay guys, thank you guys for giving me listening ear. So the next thing that I'm going to be doing here, I'm going to do the ventilating on the front, just to make sure I bring out the baby hair, guys. Okay, please guys, I will beg you for this, if you don't really know how I do this ventilating, so I will make sure that I leave the last video I do before this, I will leave it in the description box, which is the coily crochet wig I do there, that will show you how to ventilate. Okay, so the next thing I'm going to be doing here, I'm going to be bringing out my conditioner and you know, apply it into the hot water, and use the hot water to cook the tip of the braid, guys, and dry it with towel. So the next thing I'm doing here, I will be using my bright wet gel to, you know, to bring out the baby hair. Yeah, okay. So this is the finishing of this video, guys. So right now I was about to, you know, just to wear my wig. Yeah. Yeah, oh my goodness, do you really like the way I achieved this hair, guys. Oh my gosh. Yeah, I really love the way I achieved this hair, guys. Please, if this video is helpful to you guys, please don't fail to share, subscribe, leave your comment in the comment section. Please let me know the next video you want me to do. Okay guys, bye bye.